Hello, everybody. Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing? Okay, let me see who all are there. A few people so far. Where's everyone else? Vanya is already there. Vanya is the first person to come online. Good morning. Adish and Advait are also there. Hi, guys. Good morning. So, you know what we are here for, right? Do you know what we are here for? What are we doing? What do we do on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m.? We do CrossFit, right? So everyone enjoys doing CrossFit, no? Because it's a lot of movement, lots of different movements also, lots of jumping and playing around, and lots of fun. Is it not? Okay. So because people have already started joining in, let us start with the workout. Okay. So starting with the warm up first, or should we wait for another 1 minute? Guys, is everyone having a water bottle to drink water in between if you want to drink water? If you don't have a water bottle, go and get a water bottle. Keep the water bottle near you so that if you feel thirsty, you can drink water. No. Everyone, do you want to get started or do you want to wait for another 2 minutes so that everyone can come? Let's get started only, and then everyone can come and then join us after 2-3 minutes also slowly. Okay, chalo. So let's get started. Let's okay. Let me write here what we are doing today. Seher is also here. Hi, Seher. So I'll just write what we are doing today. Okay. Okay. There, you can see in the comment section what we are doing today, and then we can get started. Okay, everyone. Starting with some jumping on the spot. Everyone, can everyone see me? You have to do jumping on the spot like this. Okay. Everyone, chalo, chalo, chalo. Let's get started, everyone. Start jumping on the spot. Are you doing it, kids? Do it nicely. Chalo, everyone. Start jumping on the spot. Chalo, chalo, chalo. We have started the warm up, everyone. Go, go, chalo. Do it with me. Do it with your both hands up also. Let me see who's doing it nicely. Guys, do it nicely. Come on, everyone. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Okay, some running on the spot. You can do little bit forward and back also. Come on, guys. Come on. Run forward, run back. Tusha is also here. Hi, Tusha. Raghav is joined. Vivan is here. Parv is also here. Vanya was there already. Come on, guys. Everyone, chalo. Jogging forward and back. On the spot also. Have you done it, guys? Okay, kids of 6th Element School. Hi. First, we are doing some arm rotation. So stand straight with your arms full straight, big circles. Make big circles with your hands, okay? We'll do it 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 times reverse also, okay? Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, come on, do it nicely. Hands should be straight. Pura straight essay, okay? Could you do it? Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to come on your all four limbs. Okay. So your hand will be just under your shoulder and your knees will be just under your hip like this. Can you see me? And then you have to do circles with your leg. Like lift one leg up, bring it forward, out, back, all the way back and down like this. Okay? Do it 10 times. Make big circle. Make big circle with your leg. You want to see from the other side? Like this. Big circles. Are you doing it nicely, guys? 10 times. Chalo. Same leg. Then you will change leg after 10. Slow. Don't go fast. This is warm up, no? Now do reverse. The same leg. Other side. Can you see it, guys? Other direction. The same leg. So I'm doing my left leg now. You can do with whatever leg you're doing. Then you change side. Everyone change leg everyone. Chalo, make big circles with your legs. More big circle. More back, more up and down. But keep your body straight, okay? Only leg will move. Only move your leg. And reverse. Same leg, reverse, guys. Big circles, big circles. With your knee, you have to make big circles, okay? Have you done it nicely? Okay, kids. Next, you know what we're doing? We're doing squat and twist, okay? So I'll just show you how to do that. So you have to stand straight up like this. Okay. Now you have to squat down with your hands down, but your body will be straight and look forward, okay? Look forward, one hand up, other hand also up, and stand up. Okay, that was one. We have to do it 10 times. Is everyone doing with me? Okay, chalo, 10 times. Squat and twist. Squat, twist, and up. Very good, everyone. Chalo. Squat, twist, and up. Squat, twist, and up. Squat down, twist, look forward, look up. When you twist though, you have to look up at the ceiling, okay? And stand up. Chalo, down, up, and stand up. When you squat on your heel. Don't lift your heel up like this. Not like this on your heel. Look up, and up. Okay, chalo, do it again. Down, look up, and stand up. How many have we done? I think we have done 8. 2 more, okay? Down, up, and stand up. One more time, okay? Down, up, and up. Okay, relax, guys. So we just did warm up. What did we do? Okay, we just did warm up. Today's exercise, no, it is little bit different. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to do 30-second work and 30-second rest. We're doing 5 things today. The first thing, no, it is super interesting and we have not done it before also. It is called gorilla jumps. Everyone knows a gorilla. How does a gorilla do? Gorillas are like our ancestors only. Like it is said that earlier we all were like gorillas only. Our forefathers were gorilla. So gorilla stands up like this, like ape or gorilla. A gorilla is another variety of the monkey breed only. You know, the apes, monkeys, and orangutans, chimpanzees. So we're doing something that gorilla does. Okay, gorilla ऐसे होता है ना, ऐसे like this, but you have to jump sideways. So you have to keep your hand down and jump sideways and then jump again sideways. Okay, and then jump. But you have to jump with your legs. You have to lift your legs more up. Okay. So you have to try and jump with your legs more up. Touch down like side, little bit side, not forward. Side, touch and jump. And jump. Okay. See it from the back. Can you do it, guys? Try. If you are finding it difficult, then write it down in the comment section. Shivam is there. Okay, so many kids are doing it so well. So okay, so 30 second. For 30 seconds we have to do this, and then 30 seconds we have to take rest. Okay. So we'll just start now. Okay. Is everyone ready? We're doing 3 rounds. 30 second, 30 second rest, 30 second work, 30 second rest. 3, 2, 1. Chalo everyone, go everyone, chalo. It's time. Let's go. Touchdown, jump. And then again, jump. And jump. Do it nicely, guys. Chalo. The hands down and jump side. Okay? You have to touch your hands down and jump sideways. Are you able to do it nicely, guys? 3, 2, 1, stop. Everyone stop. This is rest, okay? In rest, you have to stop and you can do something. You can listen to me. We can talk also. Or you can type down what you're doing. Is it easy or is it tough? But it is fun also, no? 3, 2, okay, second round. Let's go, kids. Touch down and jump. And touch down, jump high. And touch down and jump high. And touch down, jump high. Touch down, jump high. And jump. Jump from left to right. है ना? चलो चलो guys, let's do it nicely. And again, chalo. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 30 seconds over. Rest. So we have done 2 rounds. And we have to do one more round of gorilla jumps. Okay. 30 seconds rest, Abhi. So when the rest will be over, I will tell you. 3, 2, 1. Chalo, last round, guys. Last round, kids. So you have to touch down, jump. Again, touch down and jump. Touch down, jump. Okay? Now, jump. Sit down a little bit and jump sideways. Are you doing it nicely, kids? Do it nicely. Chalo, come on. Last round, no? Okay. That's time. All right. So, did you enjoy that? Do you enjoy anything that we do? Animal movements like duck walk, bear walk. I think they are so much fun. I too like it so much. So today was a different thing also, gorilla jump. You can teach it to your friends also. You know what? They'll also like it. Okay. Now we have to do squat and kick. Okay. Is everyone ready for squat and kick? I'll show you once and then we will start. Okay. So everyone knows how to do the squat. So this time today we have to join our hands like this. Okay. Like namaste. You have to join your hands like namaste. Squat down, stand up, kick with both legs. Then again squat down, stand up, kick with both legs. Alright guys. So let's do squat and kick. In again, same thing, 30 seconds you have to work, and then I'll give you a 30-second rest, and we'll do 3 rounds of this. All right? Chalo kids, let's do it. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Everyone, chalo, chalo. Squat down and kick both legs and kick high like this high. Okay, squat down, kick high, kick high. Very good. Squat down, kick up, more up. Squat down and kick. Squat down and kick. Good going, guys. Kick high. 3, 2, 1. Okay, rest. Now this is rest. 30 seconds over, 30 seconds left. Who is able to do it nicely? Who's not able to do it nicely? Trisha is here. Good morning. So many kids are doing it nicely. Okay, guys. Ready for the next round? 3, 2, 1, go. Chalo, second round of squat and kick. Squat, kick. Let us do it fast. Squat, kick. Guys, do it fast. Come on. Squat and kick. Squat and kick. Squat, kick. 3, 2, 1, stop. So we are done 2 rounds of squat and kick, okay? Okay, last round is left, okay? Guys, are you having fun? Last round is left. You can sit down, relax, drink some water if you want. After this, you know what we will do. But first, squat and kick. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Last round. Time has started. Squat, kick. Squat, kick. Let us do it fast. You guys are so good athletes, no? So good at sports. Chalo, do it nicely. Do it fast. Sit down. Kick. Sit down. Kick. Kick. Sit. Kick. Kick. Squat. Kick. Kick. Squat. Kick. Kick. Do it fast, everyone. Chalo. Okay. That's time. Guys, it's time. It's time for some rest. You can drink some water. We'll do plank hold after this, okay? No, plank hold, no, it is a little bit difficult for you. I've kept it 30 seconds plank hold today. And you might not be able to do 30 seconds. But but I want you to try, okay? If you can hold for 30 seconds, then write down in the comment section below, okay? And guys, one more thing I want to ask you. If there are parents around now, ask them to click a picture or make a small video of 10 or 15, 10 to 15 seconds of you doing the workout with us, okay? And then you send it to us. Let us also see how you're doing it at home, है ना? So you can make click 1 or 2 pictures or make very small 10 to 15-second videos and you can send it to us. All right. Okay, guys. So the third one is the plank. You all can also drink water, but only one sip. Okay. I'll tell you how to do the plank. So plank, it is like push-up position. So you have to keep your legs straight, your body straight, okay? And your hand will be just under your shoulder, like this. Not like this, okay? Don't make a mountain. Look at this. This is like a mountain. Hip is so high. You have to keep your body straight. Okay? And look at my legs. My legs are straight. My hip is not like this. You don't have to do like this also. This is wrong. Keep it straight like this. Okay? it will make your this part of the body very strong. Okay, and it is very important for everyone. So if everyone is ready, then we can start doing the plank hold for 30 seconds. We'll do it 3 times. Okay, chalo. Let's start, guys. Let's start. I'll play the music also for you. 3, 2, 1, go, everyone. Chalo. Keep your hands like this. Push up position. Just hold it like this. Keep some gap between your hands like this. Okay. Do it, guys. Come on. Chalo. Everyone, come on. Don't stop. Do it nicely. If you want some rest, then you can take 1 or 2 second rest, and then again you have to come up. Okay, 30 seconds are over. 30 seconds are over, guys. Are you able to do the plank? It is very important. It might just look that you have to just hold it like this, but it is very challenging. If you do nicely doing the planks, no, then it will help you in every other exercise also. Chalo, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Everyone, chalo, hold the plank. Guys, hold the plank, everyone. Come on, come on, come on. 15 seconds over. 15 seconds left only. Come on, guys, do it nicely. 5 seconds. It's almost over, guys. Okay, 30 seconds rest. We have done 2 rounds. One last round is left. I think it is a little bit challenging, no? Or is it very easy? Write down below in the comment section if you like it. We have another 10 seconds rest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, last round of planks, everyone. Kids, come on. Keep your body straight. Keep your shoulders strong, guys. And look forward, little bit forward, little bit down like this. No, don't look down like this. Look, keep your neck straight. This is very 10 seconds left. Only 10 seconds. Come on, kids. Come on, you can do it. Come on, don't drop. 3, 2, 1. Okay, well done. Who is able to do nicely? Let me see. Squats were amazing. Vivan loved the gorilla jump. Okay, nice. Did anyone like the plank also? Did anyone like the plank also? Planks may know you don't have to. Plank is difficult for 1 year. I know it is difficult, but because we're doing it, we're learning a new thing, no. But if we keep doing it, no, then you will become very strong and it will become very easy. It is a very good thing that everyone should do, not only kids. Kids, adults, grandparents should also do planks sometimes. But not for 30 seconds, for 15 seconds they can try. Okay. Okay, but you have to only try and do whatever best you can. All right. Okay, now what is next? Let me just see. We are doing side hops. Everyone loves to jump and hop around, no? So again, we have to do the same thing. 30 seconds you have to work and 30 seconds you have to rest. So you have to jump. You can jump from left to right like this, okay? Side hops. All right, guys. Okay, everyone. Starting in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Chalo, everyone. Side hops. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. keep doing everyone. Come on everyone. Side hops. It's so much fun. Come on kids. 3, 2, 1, stop. Time for some rest, okay? 30 seconds rest. Then again we'll do 3 rounds of this also, no? 3 rounds. Everything today we are doing 3 rounds only for 30 seconds and then 30 seconds rest. Three, two, one, go. Chalo guys, come on everyone. Come on everyone. Chalo, don't stop guys. Are you doing it? Don't stop. Chalo, carry on. 2 rounds are done. 1 round is left. Okay? Let's go. अभी start होगा है ना 30 seconds का भी rest है. 6th element school kids, come on, show some energy, do it nicely. Jump more little bit far also, left to the far left to the far right also. Okay, rest is over. Last round guys, come on. Come on kids, come on, do it nicely. Chalo, last round hai, last round. Okay, time's up. Kids, we have to do some scorpion reaches, okay? So how you do scorpion reaches, no? So you have to make a mountain and then you have to lift one leg up like this. So you have to make a mountain like this, lift your one leg up and turn, then other leg up and turn. Okay, can you see it nicely? Keep your hip high, keep your hands straight. Okay, lift one leg up and turn. Wait, I'll show it to you from a different angle. Okay, like this and turn, then bring your leg back, other leg up and turn. Okay, chalo guys, let's do it again. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, go everyone. Chalo, fast. Start everyone. Scorpion reaches, do it nicely. Chalo, I'm also doing it. One leg up and stretch, other leg up, stretch. Keep doing it nicely. Do you want to see me do it from other angle? Okay, rest. This is rest time. Okay, still rest time. Is it yet? Time yet? 3, 2, 1, go! Chalo kids, one leg up, turn, other leg up, turn, turn, turn. Okay, rest. Rest, kids. Rest, everyone. Sit down like this, everyone. Okay, you know when to start now? After 30 seconds are over. I'll tell you. Was it fun today? Today we did little bit easy work. है ना? But sometimes we'll do it hard, sometimes easy. Okay, chalo, last round, guys. Last round, last 30 seconds. One leg up, turn. Other leg up, turn. Guys, this is the last round. Do it nicely. Come on. Chalo, chalo. Do it nicely. Finish it up. Okay, time's up. We'll do some stretching, guys. Chalo. Everyone sit down like this. Everyone do butterfly stretches. Butterfly stretch, everyone do it nicely. Do it like me, like I'm doing. Flap your legs more. Okay, everyone, keep your legs wide, both legs wide. Keep your hands down, okay? Now you have to walk forward with your hands and go as far as you can. Keep your legs straight. इसको bend नहीं करना कोई भी. इसको straight ही रखना है, okay? Let us see how flexible you are. I can touch my nose on the floor. Can you do it? Can you touch your head or your nose on the floor? Show, do it nicely. Hold it there. जाओ वहीं पे रुको, वहां पे रुकना है आपको, वहां पे आगे. All right. Okay. Last we will do rolling on the back. Everyone loves to do rolling on the back, no? You have to hold your hands like this on your legs. Roll and sit straight. Roll and sit straight. 5 times, kids. 4. Do it one more time. Do it 5 times. Okay. So, did you have a good time today? Did you enjoy the workout? So, if you have clicked a picture or a video, then do send it to us. And otherwise, do it next time. It's okay. है ना? Seher can do everything. Vanya is doing it so well. Okay. Okay, everyone. So, I am taking a leave for now. I will see you again on Friday, same time, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. No, 10 p.m. is the night. 10 a.m. in the morning. For 30 minutes, we will do lots of exercises. Next time, I will make it a little hard also. Okay, today was a little bit easy, I think. Okay, bye everyone. I'll see you and eat healthy, drink lots of water, and always be regular with your exercises. My name is Aditya from both CrossFit. Bye bye to every student of Sixth Element School. Bye everyone.